We started sanding this with hard blocks. This hard block, I'll show you the other one in a minute. 1000 grit, this clear coat. We found a few imperfections here and there, so we dotted them with clear coat. They were just very minute, basically just to give us a better feeling. Instead of trying to sand out a hole, we sanded out a hill, and then once it got flat, it really took it all away. So we did this all over anywhere we found it. Went back over it with 1500, but you can see the difference between the 1500 and the 1000. Saw some bad spots in this roof. I went back over it with some 1000, just real lightly. You can see I didn't put much pressure on it. Got spots here, here, and here on the hood. I've got a few spots I'm being really delicate with, but we'll go back in 1500 these little spots. Then we're gonna 2000 it by hand, which means no block. Oh, I was gonna show you the other hard block I was using, which I also use my round block, but these long Mac or Durablock, they're hard. They're nice for these big flat surfaces. This is the part where if you don't know what you're doing, you don't need to do it. On the clear coat, we don't like the ripples and waves, as you can see. I mean, here, look at this back panel. That's 1500 grit. We don't want any ripples in our clear coat. I want it as slick as it was when I had 320'd it. So, and I don't care how good a painter you are, you're going to put texture back in it. And the only way to get that out is to start with a coarse grit, like 1000 grit. Anything coarser than that's really not necessary. It's actually pointless, because then all you're doing is chasing scratches. In the middle, polishing it. It's the first stage. That's just compound on it. And then slinging it. Sanded panel. First stage, buffed panel. Remember, a hard block. This. We got inserts that go here, so don't worry about that. Look at the body lines. Hold on, here we go. That's the smudge. This is first stage, remember. It will become way more glossier, and this, as we keep buffing, we're just trying to get the sanding scratches, which got the texture out. Now we're getting the sanding scratches. There's a good sharp line. There we go. Check that out. Watch this body line. Look how sharp this is. Bam. Thing will cut you. It stays sharp. It doesn't get